Hello viewers, I'm an engineer Azamad. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will explain how we could find out the number of poles by using the famous formula. So the formula is N is equal to 120 multiplied by frequency and divided by number of poles. And here is synchronous speed. F is frequency means number of cycles in per second is called frequency equals to 1 divided by F. So you should remember this also. P here means number of poles. So here this is a well-known formula. So I will find out the number of poles by using this formula, both for the USA and other Asian countries as well. In USA and other countries, the frequency is 60 Hertz. Here in Pakistan and India, the frequency is 50 Hertz. So that's why I will solve this out for both cases. So now the speed is also speed here is 107 rpm, revolution per minute. So speed is also given. Frequency I will use for the both cases, 60 Hertz for USA or 50 Hertz for India and Pakistan. So I will calculate here for 60 Hertz, for 50 Hertz. So the formula is N equals to 120 multiplied by F divided by P. If I have to find the number of poles, then I will rearrange this formula. So P will comes out here, and here 120 multiplied by F, then divided by N. Here P equals to 120. For USA the frequency is 60 Hertz, then divided by the speed is 107. So the number of poles will be 120 multiplied by 60, then divided by 107. So here approximately the number of poles will be 67 for this speed. Now I will find out for 60 Hertz. So P equals to 120 multiplied by 50, then divided by 107. So P equals to 120 multiplied by 50 and divided by 107. So the answer is 56. So here the number of poles will be 56 and here the number of poles will be 67. So thank you so much viewers. If you have liked this video, then don't forget to tap on the subscribe button. Thank you so much once again.